Good afternoon, guys. I just got back from work. I'm eating. I look wretched, I know. I'm looking a bit rough. It's just because I got back from work. The sun was too much for me. So I just got inside. I haven't even taken off my dress, but I'm very hungry, so I need to eat first. After I'm done eating, I want to do a homemade Greek yogurt. I've learned the recipe online and I want to try it out and see if I can be able to make it. So yeah. At the moment, you want to say hi? Say hi. Come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. So guys, I'm about to make the homemade Greek yogurt and I'm using cowbell. This is my first time, so I didn't want to get a lot of powdered milk because I don't know how it's going to turn out. I have this Dole Greek yogurt with active culture, so I'm going to be using that to activate the yogurt. I'm measuring the powdered milk so that I'll know the amount of water to also add. So this is 1 cup. This is 2 cups. You want to pour it? Take your time. Okay. Exactly. I'm going to add 3 cups of room temperature water and 3 cups of hot water. Water is very hot. Can you see it's hot? Yes. Mix everything together. I sieved the powdered milk just to remove the lumps, and now I'm going to add my culture. So I'm adding 2 teaspoons. I'll mix everything well together and I'll pour it into the main bowl. Mix everything together. I'm going to cover it and put it in our oven, and I'll give you guys an update. So guys, I'm going to do like a mini maintenance routine right now. My hair is quite rough, I know, but I don't have plans of touching it now. I just want to leave it on for a while so that I get a bit of growth. So I don't want to touch it. But later on today, before I sleep, I'm going to moisturize it and make sure it is well moisturized, okay? And for my lashes, I need to take it off, and I'm going to use the Vaseline to melt down the glue before I take it off so that I don't rip off my natural lashes. So I'm going to put it on like this and allow it to melt the glue. I'm so bothered about my nails also, and the main reason why I really want to do it is I need to film content for a brand. So Vita Joseph sent me their newly launched products. Well, they haven't launched it as of today that I'm filming, but by the time you see this video, they've already launched it. So they'll be launching it on Wednesday, and they sent me one of the products. I need to make a video about it. This is their retractable Kajal eye pencil. So I also want to take off my lashes so that I'll be able to demonstrate the eye pencil so well for you guys to see. That's why I'm taking off my lashes. But if this was like a newly worn lashes, I don't think I would take it off. I would probably just film with it. That's why I also need my nails to be well kept. So I'm going ahead to fix my nails now. Okay guys, so I'm done with my nails. That's how they're looking like. Very simple, very cute. Yeah, I'm just going to take off my lashes now, and then I'm done with my mini maintenance. Okay guys, so I'm trying to set up for content I'm supposed to film. The one I told you guys yesterday. Vita Joseph newly launched products. I just got back from work anyway, so I'm trying to set up my lights. I usually have this set up all the time, but because I laid back in creating content, I just decided to take everything off. But baby, I'm back now, so let's see. I need to go down. Oh God. I want to put the big lights in the center, and then I'll try to see if I'll put any other two beside me. I should have done this setup yesterday, so that today, immediately I get back from work, I'll be filming. But I didn't do it. I want this to calm down a little bit so it can directly hit my face, right? Let's see what we can do with this too. I bought lights, so guys, my whole light, right? I have a ring light. I have this LED one. This one. I bought this one. I bought these two ones you put in the softbox. I even have the softbox, like the softbox itself. I have it. I just took it off because I felt it's just occupying the room alone. So I took it out. I just put my reflector here. I know I will definitely take this thing off one day. Okay, so let's turn the lights on now. Oh, that's right. I guess I'm done with the setup for now. Right, so I just checked with my phone to see if the quality is okay. It is, but my background is very dark. I don't know if it's because it's dark as well. Maybe I'm not supposed to be filming in the night. That's something I need to take note of when I come back to filming. If not, then I need to get some kind of lighting in my background because it was very dim. I'll still film, but I think I need to put that into consideration and get some lights for background. I need to do my hair because my cornrows were looking so rough. I never want to film with rough hair. It's not nice. Just going to do very simple installation. As simple as possible because I don't have time. So it's 8:21 p.m. now and I just finished filming. I did what I think I can do. My overthinking self is trying to make me feel like I didn't do enough. And another side of me is also saying, it's okay. What else do you want to say about an eye pencil? This is what you can do, you know. But I'm just listening to my instinct and letting it go. So I'm going to edit the video and post it later on. I'm exhausted. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I'm at work and I'm not so busy, so I'm using the opportunity to edit the video I filmed for Evita Joseph yesterday. Okay, and I'm already stressed because editing takes your entire time. These days that you also have to be very creative with your editing skills or else your video is going to look very boring. Editing is evolving, so you also can't be basic with your editing. I'm trying my possible best to put in some creativity here, but I'm not going to stress. I know every creator can testify to the fact that we can film more, but the editing is the problem. Sitting for long hours to do editing is always a problem. It's always a problem for me. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. Good afternoon, guys. Our tapachi is ready, so I want to strain out the liquid and I'll keep it in the fridge. Probably start drinking it tomorrow to see if it's really going to work for me. Let me stir it up. Because I used cinnamon powder instead of the cinnamon stick, I think I can see the cinnamon floating on top. And guys, quick update on my homemade yogurt. It became slimy. See, it became slimy. I almost forgot to update you guys on it, but it became slimy. I researched about it and I think it's either I didn't keep it in the right temperature for it to ferment, or I used a wrong culture to activate the yogurt. And I also read it's totally okay for you to eat it, so far as it doesn't have an off smell. It doesn't smell off, it smells like regular yogurt. But the way it's slimy there, I don't know if I can eat it all, but I'll definitely give it a try again. I'm going to pour the mixture into the juice jar, keep it in the fridge, and drink it whenever I'm ready to. Good morning, guys. I just finished my workout. It's been long. I actually worked out. I've been feeling so lazy these days, but I woke up this morning with a bit of motivation to work out, so I decided to do a 30-minute workout. It was okay, at least I've gotten some sweat out, which is physically fine. I'm having my tapachi to see if it's really going to work. It doesn't taste nice at all. I don't know if it's because I didn't add sugar to mine. I forgot to add sugar to mine, guys. I'm going to drink it like this until it finishes, and maybe when I do it again, I'm going to add sugar to it, because I learned the sugar is what is going to bring out the bacteria that will help with your gut cleaning and all that. So I don't know if mine without sugar is still going to work, but I prepared it. I can't just throw it away, so I'm going to drink it. If it works, fine. If it doesn't, I'll try again with the sugar, and then we'll see how it goes. So cheers. Oh my god, the taste is something else, guys. These two would not allow me to sleep. They've been in and out of my room for God knows how long. They don't want me to sleep, so I've given up on my hair, and I just want to use the time to take it down. Don't mind the background noise because they're watching cartoons. Who am I to tell them to put it off? Who am I? I can't see a thing, so let me just take down my braids peacefully. You guys know it's a no-no to take down your braids dry, so I'm going to wet it with this clove water I made, and then also a leave-in conditioner before I take it down.
Excellent! On with what was so terrible to me! On a roll!
Could be our shop property. See, I know what done. See. If you are feeling sleepy, you can also sleep, okay?
As you know. He's like, where are you going? I was like, I'm moving. I'm leaving.
I'm watching the Next Top Model documentary on Netflix. I was a huge fan of America's Next Top Model. I think it was airing on Vice at 1 those days. I really loved it. I don't know why they stopped the show, because I really enjoyed it. There's a lot of things going on in that industry, yeah, a lot. You need to be a certain type of way to become a model, to be in the beauty fashion world and all that. It's not easy. It wasn't easy for those girls. They had to battle with confidence, self-esteem and all that. It's something else. Like, I just washed my hair anyway, and I'm going to put them in Rolex. But before, I'm applying my leave-in moisturizer from Asio May and the Kinky Matter Secret Hair Recipe. Then I'll put them in these types of Rolex, just for it to air dry.
This strong editorial.
You want to win it all?
I didn't.
Re-strategizing. So I'm not going to put the Secret Hair Recipe in my hair anymore. I think I'm just going to wait for it to dry before I put in the butter, but I'm just going to put the leave-in in.
For me in the shower, and then just sitting in the shower a bit. And then with 3 hot. I remember getting on set.
Good morning, guys. It's another day. Another beautiful day. And I'm starting off my day with wig making. I have to make a wig for a client. The one I made the wig for last week, I wasn't even able to show you guys how it turned out to be. I'm just going to leave a picture somewhere on the screen for you to see the aftermath of me sewing it. But this one is kind of like a revamp, re-wigging, because she brought in a wig. It was already made, but it needed a bit of revamp, and the net was old, so I need to change it. Please, the musketeers are around, so ignore any noise behind me. I also have to go to campus to make some registration and all that. I want to finish the hair, then I'll see what I can do about that. I should have shown you guys the before of how this wig came in. It was so rough, very rough. As I'm getting ready to go to campus, for the registration I told you about. I've taken my Rolex off and I don't even know what to do with this hair like right now. Guys, I'm ready to go. This is my dress, cute sandals, and my side bag. I'll see you guys when I come back, okay? Good morning, guys. Another Saturday, another makeup job. So today we have a makeup job to do for a graduate. And this time we are leaving very early. It's almost 4:30 because I need to get to her place by 5, which is my ride will be here any moment from now. So I'll see you guys at the location. Guys, I just got back. I'm very tired. I wish I could just take a nap before leaving for work because I have to go to work today. But I have to finish this hair for the person because she needs it today. So I'm just going to complete it and see if only I can take a nap before I leave for work. I'm stressed. Guys, so I just got back from work. It's actually 10 p.m. now. Yeah, I'm starting a wig I'm going to wear tomorrow because I got cornrows, but I didn't like the way the lady braided it, so I don't want to take it to work. I took it to work today though, but I don't play with my Monday mornings. My Monday mornings have to always be JJ. So for next week, I'll be wearing this wig. I started styling it in the morning, but I wasn't able to finish, so I left it and I went to work. I just got back and I'm like, let me just complete it, okay? So that's what I'm doing now. So far, so good. I am not too sure about my hair because it's looking different, especially the bangs. I don't know if someone deliberately cut some out of it, but who can I blame? Nobody. So let me just be mute about it. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this week's vlog. It was amazing having you all here with me. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.